Let's say that we've got our timeline all set, it's good to go, and now we want to identify the people that we've interviewed for our video. So right now I'm in the editing workspace. I want to go to the graphics workspace over here, and what will happen is some presets will autofill on the right side here. And you can see there are a number of things that are called lower thirds. There's angled lower thirds, there's the basic lower third. Let's just go basic lower third for now. I would grab this and drag it and drop it where I want it on the timeline. And then what I want to do is grab my type tool right here. So let's say I'm going to change the name to Tori. And the second line is smaller, and generally that's like the attribution, who this person is. So we've got name and then like that. And then what should happen is when I scrub back a little bit on the timeline,
all of that stuff, and
that
then
lower third should pop in here.
When my classes start, and I set up my workspace for the day.
Okay, so I can go back to the editing workspace and keep editing from there. And then remember, I always want to render into out again because I made that little change.